All right, we're gonna go on a quick test drive here. I have it in sport mode. These cars are so cool. I love this interior color combo. The steering wheel is just slightly off-center, just a hair. I'm gonna hit the brakes. Brakes are solid. Car stops on a dime. I do hear a little vibration somewhere in the dash area or somewhere up front at a certain RPM. I don't know if you can hear that in the camera, but that sounds so cool when you get on it. It's nice and smooth. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on the front right wheel, I don't see any curb rash. You're gonna have little scuffs just kind of from everyday washing, but overall in great condition. Got the big Brembo brakes here. That bright red looks good. Looking at the fender, all of that looks good. Got the carbon accent here, looks really nice. Typical little chips in this area, but otherwise that fender looks good. Got the carbon here. A-pillar looks nice. Overall that door looks good. You're gonna have some little chips in this area. And down here on that lower section, all very subtle. I don't see any curb rash on that wheel. All of that looks good. Looks really nice. Such a cool car. All right, looking at the front. That looks really cool there. Kind of scanning the hood. So far it looks really nice. Headlights are really clear. You're gonna have typical little rock impacts here and there. Got a couple chips there. It's all very subtle though. Got the carbon splitter down here. That looks good. A little bit of rash right here. see some rash down there. You're gonna see some on that underside. And some here. Some of it's been touched up, but for the most part, you're gonna have that rash there. Now, when you stand about a foot off the ground, you're not gonna see that though. And looking at the engine bay, kind of scanning through some of this. Looks really nice. I don't see any curb rash on the wheel, just typical little swirls from everyday washing. You're gonna have rock chips kind of peppered in this section. A couple tiny scuffs, but otherwise that mirror looks good. See 2 rock chips here. The rest of that looks nice. Looking at the door, it's in great condition. Same with the back. Now when you get to the edges here, you're gonna see little rock impacts on that section, and a couple more on the door on that curve. I don't see any curb rash on that wheel. All of that looks good, nice and clean. This thing is just super cool looking. Then here on the back, you got the carbon spoiler. That looks good. Here on the deck lid, nice and clean. Taillight looks good. Got the carbon inserts here, and then you have carbon all along that bottom on that lower diffuser. Looks super cool. Then looking in the trunk, carpet's in great condition. Underside looks good. And then underneath this, you have some more storage. Your little tire inflator. All right, checking out the interior. This thing is really, really cool. It is a non-smoker. That panel looks nice. All of this looks good. You do have some scratches on the leather right here. A few tiny scuffs. This trim looks good, a few tiny scuffs as well. That bolster looks amazing. You do have a little bit of wear, a few scratches right there, and then some here from the seatbelt kind of hitting it. Back of that seat looks good. Typical wrinkles here from just everyday wear, but otherwise that's in really good condition. Steering wheel still has that matte finish to it. Those buttons look good. Those look nice. All of that looks good. Got the carbon here. That screen looks nice. Overall, this side looks really good. All right, here on the passenger door panel, that upper section looks good. I do see some stains of some sort in there. If you can see that right there. I don't know if it's underneath, but it's not on the top side. Handle looks good. That lower section looks nice. A couple tiny scuffs on this trim, otherwise in great condition. That bolster looks really good. Same here. These seats look really nice. Typical wrinkles right here. A couple little scuffs. Otherwise, that side looks good. Glove box looks nice. That leather looks good. All of that looks nice. Got the Alcantara headliner. Here on the back right door panel, that upper section looks good. All of that looks really nice. This trim looks good. Tiny little scuff there. Otherwise, that seat is in great condition. Looking at the seat back, looks good. See a little indentation here on the leather. All of that looks good. Got the carbon insert up there. Super cool console. Here on the back left panel, looks really nice. Kick plate area looks good. That backside looks nice. You do have a little snag right here. A couple small scuffs. That side of the console looks good. Seat backs are nice and clean.